Dash is one of my favorite robots, and I've been using Wonder Workshop's robots for the past 5, 6, 7 years. I don't even know. What I love most about Dash is that the robot can really kind of grow with the students. So when I taught kindergarten, my kindergarten students absolutely loved Dash, and they were introduced to coding with robots through Dash, just going through mazes, learning how to program a robot to turn right and left, and the look on their faces, they were so excited. So I love to be that teacher that first introduces students to robots. And then as a third grade teacher, I loved using Make Wonder, the math activities in there. It was such a great kind of like physical, hands-on activity for students to solidify their understanding of different math concepts that we were already learning in class. And this was a great sort of center rotation for my students to solidify those math concepts that we've been learning all week or all unit, and then getting to reinforce that with Make Wonder math activities.